built up to 3-0. Rucinski had a 1-0 lead when he pitched the fourth. First of the fifth, and Riggins fooled badly on a half swing and miss. But the half swing is good enough for strike one. Riggins struck out in the second inning. These were 2 strikeouts in the doubleheader. 1 strike pitch is a changeup fouled at the plate. 0-2 now. The big plays of this ball game, there have been a couple of them made by Traveler fielders. And then one of them was the pickoff of Taylor Featherston at first base by Anderson De La Rosa in the first inning. Here's the 0-2. High on Riggins, ball one. Featherston had led off the first with a single. He was picked off before the next batter was finished. And now the 1-2 on Riggins. Down low, taking for a 2-2 count. In the second inning, left fielder Zach Borenstein and shortstop Vance Albitz lined up perfectly on a double hit by Joey Wong to left field, and Wong was nailed at third. That also was a rather huge play. 2-2 pitch. Riggins hits a bouncer foul. Kevin Riggs able to pick it up in the third base coach's box. With that 7th strikeout, Rucinski lifts the leg, comes home. Struck him out swinging. Power versus power. That was a pitcher saying, I got my best fastball. What do you got? Batter says, here's my hardest swing. And he ends up striking out for a second time.